Might just go to Publix. Mess around over there. Whoops. That sounded pretty good, I bet you. I like this thing I have up ahead here. Yeah. I don't want to beat this thing up too bad. It's still filming. Yeah. We got a neat circle up here. Alright, it's still filming, so. I hate that, man. The solenoid just kicks it right out of gear. Now it ain't even grabbing third. Doesn't that suck? Ugh. I hate that. That's alright. I want to switch this thing over to a stick. Tree mech coming. Well, here's mine. Better pay attention. Not too bad. Picks up good. This is my jaunt to Publix. It's gonna rain like crazy, I can see that. Here's a tricky one too. It's a new road. I don't like the way it's skipping around. I'm just gonna get a couple of energy drinks. Sucks. Well, even there, so you can hear it misfiring cylinders. There's my destination station. Man! Woo! Fucking mask. Oops, don't curse. Well, that was fun. It's definitely gonna rain.